Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going over to XRP once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So if XRP starts to close up above this at 03905, I think that this we could say, okay, well this was the bottom of this correction, and what we have got here is a simple ABC, and this technical target of a big head and shoulders like this. Okay, it's not necessarily going to get met, and we've actually found our correction. But what I'm looking at is, the reason is a bit of confluence at the moment that this is the actual target, this red line, okay, because I think what we could be looking at is some kind of big double top, and all we're doing right now is coming down and confirming this is resistance before dropping to at least this red line, okay. So this is kind of on the radar at the minute, that if we do start to rally into this as resistance, form some kind of descending triangle here, I would be looking to go short with my stop on the previous wick high and then ride it all the way back down to that red line, okay. So this is what I try and do. I try and find opportunity for you in the chart. So at the minute, I think that is the nominal level. That's the support that we're looking for on XRP. And what we've got is a clear breakdown like this, where we're coming down, turning this previous leg of support into resistance before another drop. And I think that could be the final drop just there for XRP. And what we've got is a beautiful entry point, okay, a lovely entry point to start to come back up and take out that local high here for XRP, which I think will be absolutely amazing. But one of the most bullish things we can see here is XRP taking out 05593. So what am I looking to do? Well, just be patient, because I think if XRP starts to come up like this, starts to take this out and holds its support, that's really bullish, because you're taking out that low just there. So the possibility is that what we've got is a correction like this, okay, that's done, and right now we're coming back up the stairs, taking out this resistance, taking out that high, and taking out that high. Boom, you've got a massive move. So until we start to see that, I'm a little bit more biased, because of something I'm looking at Bitcoin and the DXY, is the fact that what we've got is a W double bottom here, okay, where we've clearly broken out without falling back to support. So I think that what we're looking at is a short. So I think we're coming into resistance, potentially get resistance at 039, open a short there, really tight stop loss on Bybit, and then ride it back down. You've at least going to come back down to test that neckline as support, and I think we might get a follow through for XRP, where we do actually come down to this red line, okay, and eventually meet that, which would be the technical target of this big head and shoulders being met. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and equally the big double top from the neckline all the way down. We've got the double top pattern that we're broken out just there, which brings us down to that level as well, okay, for XRP. So I think we're looking for that minimal target, and this is a target I've been looking at for quite a long time, because we've got this level of resistance just there that we melted through, and eventually coming back to support for the continuation. So I'm just trying to find that optimal entry point for you. So one thing I'm looking at is the fact that this is still corrective like this, coming back up, runs into resistance and drops towards that red line. So we could have a beautiful little short on our hands, and all you've done, broken down, confirm resistance before another drop for XRP, okay. But I do think you're going to come up and take out that local high, and I think we've got a massive trade in front of us going forward. So right now I would be looking to just be patient. If you're not already in a trade, wait for this to sort of come up, reject off that. If it starts to create a rollover pattern, possibly some kind of bearish divergence as well. If we take a look, if we've got bearish divergence at the moment, not really, not as such, but if we do start to create some kind of bearish divergence up there as well, primarily on the hourly time frame, you'll probably see it, then I would be more inclined to say, okay, we're going to start to come back down, and we've got a correction back down to at least this neckline, and with a follow through towards a red line. So that could be a massive short up, because if it does go like that, off that resistance of 03905, you could have a lovely short around about 8.94% for XRP, and then boom, that's a technical target met. It's done everything it needs to say, okay, we met the technical target, and we're going to start to come back up and take out the high. Because if we do start to come up and take out the high, we've got a massive move, huge move for XRP, potentially off the red line all the way up. I think you're looking at least around about 48 cents I'm looking at, so it's a 33% move. So it's huge move for XRP. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that update. Remember, you can do all this, you can go long, you can go short, spot buy, whatever you want to do, but what I'm looking at is a resistance on this neckline, this previous support just there, coming back up, turn it into resistance, and then another drop towards a red line, where I would be looking for a bottoming out pattern before sort of entering XRP at that point, okay. So you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone, bye bye.